Thanks for stopping by. Today is Sunday, December 1st, and you'll see I have 3 panels of data in the Events Organizer dashboards for Calendar Snack. The first one here, as I scroll up and down, is the NFL data set. There are 78 upcoming games based on today's date. In the middle, you'll see that we have 800 plus games for the NBA. And you'll see over here for the 2025 season for MLB, as I am getting data loaded, I have 600 plus upcoming games. As we all know, in the Major League Baseball, there are well over 2,500 games. So what I'm going to focus on today is NFL Sunday. And you can see here as I click through these buttons here, the various data sets being loaded here on the fly. That's part of our technology. This Calendar Snack application is hooked to something called the Calendar Invite Server. That's a piece of our tech stack on AWS, and it comes with our license. So specifically for today, I'm going to look at the upcoming game schedule. I'm going to load in a simple banner. I'm just going to click this to delete it. I'm going to load in this banner. You'll see it there. I'm going to decorate all the buttons here. I'm going to make this bigger so you can see it live. And what I'm demonstrating to you here on the fly is our ability to stream upcoming events to a landing page. These upcoming landing pages are on hundreds of millions of websites across the world. We think it's an important initiative, and that's why I've built this particular product into our stack. So I've clicked a few buttons. You just saw that. I'm going to pull up the rest of the game schedule, which is loaded into AWS, into an S3 bucket, into DynamoDB. And as I stream it across the web here, this URL is a URL you can share with anybody. Now, the concept here is I put an email address here at the top. I click a couple buttons, and the calendar invites are sent to me, and then we track that data. The cool thing about these calendar invites is you can actually update them, and as your customers downstream have them on their calendars, that data will change in the calendar for promotions or whatever type events you want to promote with the calendar itself. Now, as I go back, you'll see that here in the live demo, I have sent out 3 calendar invites to Greg. He's going to say yes, maybe, and no to these first 3 games coming up here for December 1st here on game day. The important thing is here in the demo, as I show you before I recap and get out of here, is that we're collecting this data here in our engine in the back. We built a elaborate consolidated RSVP data collection engine for the calendar receipts themselves. And as I drill in here to the first, you'll see that I've sent out calendar invites for these various games off the upcoming streaming landing pages. So in particular for Greg, we're going to take a look at, say, the Chargers. The Chargers data set would be back to the 10th. Here's the 10th. I'm going to just type in CH. There's the Chargers there. And you can see there are a couple of calendar invites out. A couple of people have accepted. Now, if I go back to Greg's email box, he's going to say no. And what you'll see dynamically on the fly is when I refresh this data set, we're collecting this data here. And you'll see that when I do refresh it one more time, we should be able to see that it declined, and you see it right there. So we have 1 accepted, 1 declined. The importance is we're collecting calendar receipts at scale across the internet, and for email marketing, we think we're the only ones doing this here with our technology. Thanks for stopping by.